Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from X or Twitter account. So the first step you simply need to do is to open X app. So once you open X app, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left. Then you simply need to scroll down and click on settings and support. Then you need to click on settings and privacy. Here you need to click on your account. Here you can see different options. You simply need to click on account information. And here you can see last option in red, logout. Click here and then you need to click on logout. So this is the process by which you can log out from X app or Twitter. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We will see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.